The Elikliv EM3K-AF Digital Microscope stands out for its fast automatic focusing, which keeps the image sharp within about 2 seconds, so you can concentrate on soldering or inspecting coins instead of fiddling with knobs. Its time-of-flight, assisted focusing, and high-resolution 3K sensor deliver impressively crisp still images and smooth video, making tiny traces, coin details, and watch parts easy to see and document. The large 10.1-inch in-plane switching display is bright, color-accurate, and viewable from wide angles, so both you and anyone nearby can comfortably follow the work in real time. A flexible dual lighting system with an adjustable gooseneck light and controllable aperture helps tame glare and shadows, giving you better contrast on reflective circuit boards and shiny coin surfaces. The tall metal stand provides a generous working distance and a stable platform for handling larger projects, while the optional crosshair overlay is genuinely useful for aligning components or grading coins with more consistency. Between the simultaneous HDMI and USB outputs, remote control operation, and generous 64 gigabyte memory card, this microscope is well suited for teaching, recording repair sessions, or sharing detailed close-ups without crowding around the screen.